Hello everybody, and I'm in Subway Surfers, and I have had a top run United States, and I'm going for 1 million coins, so I give you the final minutes on my run. Here it is. I collected like 100. I didn't collect lots of, because this run has just been crazy. Look at how many coins I have in the top left corner. I'm going to try to get diamond. I'm going to try, but oh dang it, we got none. If we die here, we're done. Okay, we're going to do a board. Yeah, it's been a long journey. I've been playing for this like 1 hour, 30 minutes. Like 30 minutes, maybe. I don't know. Wow, 10 minutes, maybe. I don't know. But this is very hard to do. You have to be pretty good at this game, but I think I'm going to beat my record because you see in the top right corner, it says that's my record. So, I'm going to beat it. So, got to be careful now. Okay. Okay, we're done and we're done! What the heck was that? Okay. Dude, we're almost at 4,000 coins. Okay. As you know, I love Subway Surfers, and we're about to hit the major thing of 104,000 coins. So that thing goes away. I'm gonna do hoverboard. Okay. Well, I'm just wowed right now from how long I've been doing this and what thing I am doing. Oh, I got 40,000 coins, and boom, we got lots of stuff. Okay, on my board, it's getting down, so please don't say we have double jump. No, we don't have double jump. Okay, we gotta stay good. Okay. Just to know, getting this much coins and getting this much stuff in one run is very, very, very hard. But it works if you have a lot of hoverboards. I mean, it wouldn't work if you don't have hoverboards, because this has just been a big run. I will see you when I have a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Guys, I forgot to record, but you see our high score? Show you 1 million. Wow, I've never dreamed of doing this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.